feel stuck with empty pockets. We've all been there. It's a common feeling, especially when the bills keep piling up and the income seems to be nowhere in sight. But don't lose hope. The good news? Wealth isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's not just for those born with a silver spoon in their mouth. It's for anyone willing to put in the effort. You can build a fortune from zero. Yes, from absolutely nothing. Many have done it before, and you can too. It's not about magic, it's about hustle. It's about putting in the hard work day in and day out. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about having the vision to see potential where others see problems. Think of it like a video game. In a game, you start with nothing and work your way up. You start at level 1 with nothing. No resources, no advantages. But with each smart move, you gain experience, you level up. Each decision you make, each risk you take, brings you closer to your goal. That's how wealth building works. It's a gradual process, but every step counts. Each step, each decision takes you closer to your financial goals. Every choice you make has the potential to bring you closer to success. So, are you ready to play the game? Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Are you ready to transform your financial life? Let's get started. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Let's embark on this adventure together. First things first, your mindset is your greatest asset. If you think getting rich is impossible, guess what? You're right. Your thoughts shape your reality. So start by believing in yourself and your ability to create wealth. Next up, perseverance. Building wealth takes time and effort. There will be setbacks. There will be moments of doubt, but the key is to keep going. Remember your why. Why do you want to be wealthy? Let that fuel your fire. Every successful person has faced challenges. Their secret, they didn't give up. They learned from their mistakes and came back stronger. You can too. Now let's talk action. How do you actually make money? Start by identifying your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? There's money to be made in everything these days. Got a knack for social media? Become a freelance social media manager. Love to bake? Start an online bakery. The internet has created endless opportunities. You just need to find your niche. Another tip, learn high income skills. Think coding, digital marketing, sales. These skills are in high demand and can lead to high paying jobs or freelance gigs. Remember, knowledge is power. Invest in yourself. Section 4, Real People, Real Success. In this section, we delve into the journeys of individuals who have turned their dreams into reality. Don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real-life examples of people who have achieved phenomenal success. Look at Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She is a prime example of what determination and innovation can achieve. She started with just $5,000 and a brilliant idea. Now, she's a billionaire. Her journey from a small startup to a global brand is truly inspiring. Or how about Oprah Winfrey? Her story is one of resilience and relentless pursuit of her dreams. She overcame a challenging childhood to become a media mogul. Oprah's rise to fame and fortune is a testament to her hard work and vision. These stories are not exceptions. They are examples of what is possible when you believe in yourself and your ideas. They are proof that with hard work, determination, and a bit of creativity, anything is possible. These individuals didn't just dream, they acted on their dreams. These successful individuals started with nothing but a dream. They faced numerous challenges but never gave up. They hustled, they persevered, and they achieved extraordinary things. Their journeys are filled with lessons of persistence and innovation. Their stories are inspiring, but they are also attainable. They show us that success is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. You have the same 24 hours in a day. Time is a precious resource, and how you use it can make all the difference. How you choose to spend those hours will determine your success. Make conscious choices, invest your time wisely, and you too can achieve financial greatness. So there you have it. The journey to financial freedom and wealth is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality. The path to wealth is open to everyone, regardless of where you start. It's about making informed decisions and taking calculated risks. It starts with a shift in mindset, believing in your potential and visualizing your success. You must see it to achieve it. Then it's all about taking action, learning new skills, and hustling your way to success. Attend workshops, network with like-minded individuals, and never stop learning. Remember, there will be challenges along the way. Financial obstacles are inevitable, but they are also opportunities in disguise. But don't let them discourage you. Stay resilient, keep pushing forward, and use each challenge as a stepping stone. Embrace the setbacks, learn from them, and come back stronger. Each setback is a lesson that brings you closer to your goal. Your dream life is waiting for you. Picture yourself living in that luxury house, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Go out there and grab it. The key to success is within your reach. The world is full of opportunities. Every corner of the city holds potential for financial growth. Are you ready to seize yours? The moment you decide to take action, the universe aligns to help you. The only thing stopping you is you. Break through your barriers and look in the mirror with determination. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and watch your bank account grow. You got this. Your financial success story starts now.